What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video. Man, hey, today's Sunday, so you know it's Reverend Breezy, baby. I'm about to pass around this collection plate. Gotta get my money, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all know I used to go around and collect that rent, baby. I gotta collect that church money. Today we're building a new church. We gotta get the building fund. We gotta get the building fund up. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy out, man. Anyway, man. First thing you need to be doing every morning, man, is checking your pancake swap, baby. If you ain't in pancake swap, you ain't in Binance Smart Chain. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be getting that cake, man. That free cake every morning. I can stop right here. This is $700. How many people make $700 a day, bro? This ain't no referral link. This ain't nobody giving me that. This is me. $700. Easy money. You know what I'm saying? I tell you this stuff, but you don't like that. It's too slow. Huh? Show me the high risk stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's fine too. But you gotta have these backbones, man. But we got a lot of stuff to get to, so we're gonna keep it moving. Let's go over here to bdollar. Put a little bit back in bdollar. They're doing a lot of innovation over here, man. They got they got their peg dot, they got their peg euro, they got their peg uniswap coin and peg gold. You can come over here and click around, man, check it out. bdollar.fi. Ain't no referral link again. Just come on here and make your money. I'm in this one, the uni BNB collecting SBDO. So I collected a little bit right there. You know, I just put a little bit in here to check it out because it's brand new. So there ain't a lot of liquidity in it right now. Well, it's up now. It's got, well, this one especially. Everybody in this SBDO BUSD, I don't want to hold SBDO, so I'd rather hold the uni. You know what I'm saying? But that one got a whole lot of TVL in it. This one got 34,000, I think. So just check it out, man. You know what I mean? Let's keep it moving, baby. B2X, you know what I'm saying? I'm in here. I ain't know I had that much deals to collect. I got a whole, that's $470 right now. What? On top of the 700. Again, no referral link. It's b2xtoken.io. I just showed you 3 platforms with no referral link, man. Just come and get your money. I'm just trying to help you get your money, man. That's all. Ain't nobody doing it like your boy, man. But anyway, man, just come over here, man. You go to the auction. And a lot of people, they get confused because they don't know how to do it or what to do. Man, just go to the auction, man, and put in how much BNB you want. You want 0.1, 0.5, 10, 20, whatever you want. Just put it in right now and click enter auction. You know what I'm saying? Just that simple, man. So we'll get back there. You see, I put 1 BNB a day. I missed that day. And I think I meant to put 2 that day, but it went to point. I don't know what happened. But you know, I put 1 BNB a day, and that was a good day right there. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, man, let's keep it moving, baby. Bananex, still moving, still going. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got. 1353, 1,200 people in here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what this tells me is people, you know, they putting 1 BNB, maybe 2, whatever. You know, people ain't really going too heavy. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? I put 10 myself. It paid 3% a day. You got the haze audit, so I don't know. I don't know, man. It ain't gonna be here forever. But as long as it's here long enough for me to get my money back. You know what I'm saying? 3% a day, pretty stout, boy, you know what I mean? But hey, it is what it is, man. You gotta keep moving, baby. Well, this is Polaris. Another one, no referral link. PolarisDefi.io. I just collect my deals every day. That's another $120 on top of that, $63. That's almost $200 I'm finna collect. You adding this up? $700, then $470, then what else we had? I forgot how much that bdollar was. Then another 200. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finished yet. I gotta keep going. What is it? Oh, I bought some more ADA. So $150 loaner for some ADA. You know what I'm saying? Just playing around with it. You know, just playing around with the crypto, baby. See what else we got going on. BNB yield. Thing is still going, man. I'm thinking about making another deposit. Like I love what they got going. Love what they got going on, man. I love it with the 30% reinvest. That's why this ain't zero. And when you go out, you got to reinvest, baby. Would you rather have a contract to be 30,000 and then drain tonight, or would you just rather have it just going along and it's paying? Look at these have what? Do not go in these. Do not go. Well, this ain't financial advice. Do what you want to do. Put 100 BNB right here if you want to. I don't care. This crypto is a solo sport, man. All I can do is show you what I'm doing. Anything you see on my channel, that's what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I don't show you stuff I'm not doing just for you to do and get wrecked. I show you what I'm doing. So if you're not doing what I'm doing, you're not going to get the results that I get. Y'all want to be all over in this and B&B toenail and B&B nappy head. Man, okay, that's fine. Hey man, how can I get this rug? How can I get? I don't know. Go to their Telegram and ask them, bro. I don't know. But boy, this is stout. What? 16% a day? Boy, you put. Let me see. 5 B&B, that'll get me 11 B&B in 10 days. That mean I'll be straight in 5 days. That'll get me. Yeah, I have my 5 B&B back in about 5 days. Matter of fact, I'm going to make a little deposit in here now. I'm going to put 2 B&B. What I get? 4? What I get? 4? I'm going to do the math because I might. Oh, I got a little. I don't know. Let me see if I put 2. See, that's what I hate. I just need to make a decision because I be done. Let me see. They pay 12% a day. And if this thing keep going, I get sick. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna come back to that. Cause I got to see. Cause B&B Plus still paying too. It's up to, but it's still 13,000. That's a lot of damn B&B, boy. Good God Almighty, that's a lot of B&B, bro. That's a lot of B&B. $474, man. That's a lot, and it's paying 15%. So I mean, I don't know, man. It's sort of like you wonder how they doing it, but maybe it's just the way the contract's supposed to go. You know what I'm saying? How long I've been talking about B&B Plus, B&B Yield. You know what I'm saying? What you want me to say, man? These stuff is still going. So if I put 2 over there and then 2 over here, see, this still paying 14 days though. That B&B Yield. Come on, scroll down, baby. B&B Yield paying in 10.5 days, but it's got less in the contract, but it's paying at 30% reinvestment. When you withdraw, it opens up another plan for you. So you know. Man, hey, do what you want to do, man. I'm just telling you how they work. Let's jump over to B&B Hives. Yeah, it's still going. Still paying. Ooh, I could buy a B. Yeah, man, I told y'all, man, look here. You get in day one, man, you good. I don't know why y'all insist on waiting. I just don't understand that for the life of me. You get in day one, you know, the people you don't look at, this thing still got 1,200 in the contract, bro. It's going down. Every contract gonna go down, but what you don't want is that 1 day to zero. That's what you don't want. This might take 3, 4, 5, 6 more days to go. Everybody should be good by now. You know why? Let me explain something to you. When we got in this contract, B&B was $383. B&B almost $480 now. That's almost $100 per coin. So you done made money back and way more than what you put in. That's why day one is so important. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know what to tell you, man. It pay 10% a day. If you put in 10 B&B, you're gonna get 1 B&B back a day. That's as simple math as I can get it, man. That's just simple. You put 10 B&B, you'll get 1 B&B back a day. 10 days, you good. Everything after that is free money. You getting free $470 a day just in B&B Hive. So not to even mention if you play Amber right, if you don't know how to farm by now, bro, you on the wrong channel. You know what I'm saying? Everybody should know how to farm by now. I shouldn't have to explain a permanent loss to you. You know, go find you a channel to explain that. I'm not for new people, bro. I'm for people that want to make some money, know how to make some money, ain't crying, ain't doing all that. They just go through, collect deals every day, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget, pre-sale drip tomorrow in the Telegram. The token buy is tomorrow. Forex Shark will be in the Telegram. We'll, overseeing and make sure everything going smooth. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. That's more money. That's about the closest a guarantee to money as I can get you. That's at least a 10x. Some people saying 50, 100x. You know what I'm saying? I don't even go all that far. But I know a 10x is, hell, if you put in 15 B&B, a 2x is good. Especially if you're getting under listing. That's like buying $1 million property for $400,000. Man, please, man, you should get it for $200,000. Bro, what's wrong with y'all? But anyway, man, can't please everybody, baby. But anyway, man, I'm finna go continue to pass around this collection plate, getting my money for the new building fund. Like the video, man. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.